Hi guys, my name is Yaroslav. I'm from Israel, 37 years old. Like I said in the title of this video, here are 10 things that I learned being self-employed businessman. I've been self-employed since 2018. This is the last time that I work for somebody else. Since then I've been operating my own eBay store, selling sneakers, apparel, doing it with my long-time business partner from America. So yeah, 10 things that I gained by suffering, by making mistakes, and hopefully it's gonna help you. The first one that came to my head, also I think it's the most important one, is the responsibility. Means from now on, at the moment that you decide to operate a business, now on, business is your child. Just as like if an actual child, he need the proper attention to grow, same thing is with the business. This means that you put your business at the top of your priorities. You need to put all your abilities and effort into this thing. Going out with friends, buying yourself new stuff, all these things come second. Second to your hustle. Sorry guys, this is the harsh truth. Yeah. Second one, always plan. Like they say, if you fail to plan, you are planned to fail. You need to know minimum 2 months up front how you're gonna pay all the dues. How you make sure that you always have enough to cover all of your payments and stay in good terms with your bank. Keep watching the video and we'll talk about how you stay in good terms with your bank. Number 3, stay up to season. What does it mean? It means that, let's say you're dealing with apparel, shoes. So when it's the summer months, you already make sure that you got enough stock to keep you working when the winter comes. Same thing for the holiday products. You make sure that you got it up front. Especially if you're working with suppliers from China, because the delivery from China always take more than you expect. Guys, hi again. Had to change the location, the wind was impossible there. Yeah. Okay, guys, number 4, expand your operation. As a businessman, you always need to push yourself to explore new territories, new products, new markets, new suppliers. If you sell only on eBay, go to Amazon, go to Grailed, go to Shopify. People like to shop on different platforms. You'll find new customers by trying new channels. As for supplier, you should definitely try Alibaba if you haven't yet. Suppliers there work with PayPal, so you don't really need to worry about getting scammed. Anyway, number 5, look for ways to cut your expenses. I'll give you my own example. My partner and me, we run a joint venture selling shoes and apparel on eBay. He takes care of the selling and I'm the one that buys the supply and shipping it to him. Recently we started working with new delivery company. This company shipping larger packages than we've been used to. This method saves us more than 50% on each product, comparing to what it cost us before. Number 6, good terms with your bank. Remember this one from before? Your bank is gonna be your best friend once you open a business. If you got no other place to bring the initial capital for your business, like myself and many other people, you need to take a loan. And even if you got the money to start, you will need the cash injections later on, believe me. So here comes the bank. These guys love to get their money on time. And they also will be happy to enter your position and give you the extra space that you need, if you're always on time with the payments. Interest. This is how banks make their money. They give people loans for interest. Okay, number 7. Keep it clean with your partners. Reputation is something that takes a long time to build, but you can lose it in a moment. Always make sure you make promises that you can keep, and you'll gain the trust of the people that you work with. This is essential for operating any kind of business. Being a man of your word and also to make sure that everybody profits. Number 8. have a good accountant. In my case, my accountant is a brother of a long-time friend. Very bright guy, super educated. He got a big office with a lot of workers. He didn't had it in one day though, but it been clear to me from the start that he's going places. The guy finished his degree 1 year earlier in the best university in Israel, probably, the Technion. Accountant is somebody that stands between you and the government, basically. He spends way more time in the tax offices than you, and he knows the system from inside. He can help you to postpone the tax payments if it's needed, help you get the loan in the bank. Very important. Good accountant. Okay, number 9. Build relationships with your clients. I'll give you an example from my experience selling apparel and shoes. I got this one reseller guy from Australia. He's always looking for a Nike Air TN. This is the hot model in Australia. Everybody looking for this one. He ordered from me a few times, big orders, 10 pairs plus. Usually I'm selling retail because this way there's more profit, maybe 20% more than if I sell it in stocks, wholesale. But since this guy committed to buying big amount of pairs each time and paid up front, very respectful guy and nice guy to deal with. Each time I got teens, I'm letting him know, and we do business long time. Okay, we got to the end, the last one. Educate yourself. This is the last one, but definitely not the least important. You have to always pass new information through your brain, guys. This is the only way to make new connections between the neurons of your brain, you know. The only way not to turn into a robot. Study new languages, learn to play an instrument, learn a martial art. But what it got to do with business, you will ask? Everything. This is the foundation that all of your activity as a human being stand on. The progress of your brain, your mental, verbal and physical abilities, all these come from education. Anyways guys, thank you for watching until now. Please put a like, subscribe, write in the comments if there's some things that I didn't mention that is also essential in your opinion, and we'll see you in new videos. Bye.